Alright.
Hello.
Hello, my name is BoRat.
And we are
Where are we?
in New York City.
Huh. You noticed that, right? That's pretty cool. Yeah. You like beer, right?
No,
It's
I
like,
hate beer.
What's the commercial? Beer, like, he stands like this.
That's not beer.
What?
That's
It's beer.
rum.
No, it's not
It's
wrong.
rum.
Are you sure?
Yes.
I have this on video.
I like vodka better.
Vodka, I hate vodka.
Yeah? Now let me hear your testimonial. Come on, let's go. Come on,
Where?
baby.
It's red. Where are you going?
That's how slow he is.
She broke.
That's how slow he is. See? You notice? Now I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about. This is
BoRat.
Dimitri.
Where?
Right here. Got something to say to the camera?
Welcome to United States of America.
Anything else? Oh look, that's a bus. You're retarded.
Where's my chicken?
It's right there. You gotta hold it.
I like this woman. I want to make love to this woman.
What about that one?
She's so.
Oh my god. So right now we're walking to
Yeah.
34th Street to take my train home. And what do you
She
think?
invited me to her house to live in. I said no, thank you.
No, I didn't say that. I will never invite him to my house. I don't think so. Liar.
But you did. You did.
No, he didn't. He thinks I did. That's what he wants. He wishes, but no.
Huh. Who would want it?
And this is me kicking Dimitri.
You're not gonna see anything in that video.
Why?
Because I'm gonna destroy it.
Says who? You? Baby, it's my camera.
Excellent.
Look. Oh.
You cannot shoot video.
Yes,
You're
I
gonna
can.
no.
Mwah. Give a kiss to the camera. Please. Say bye. Blow a kiss.
Auf Wiedersehen.
Okay. Ciao.